This is the factory reset instructions for Samsung Galaxy S10E. Let's get into it. To factory, master reset, factory reset, clean and wipe. We are going to hold the volume up. We're going to hold the Bixby button. And we're going to hold the power button all at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. We're going to wait for the Samsung logo to come on, and we're going to let go. We are going to use the volume down to scroll to wipe, data, factory, reset. We're going to use the power button to push OK. We're going to use the volume button, scroll down to factory, data, reset. We're going to use the power button to push OK. We're going to verify, data wipe complete. Now we're going to come up to reboot system now. And with the power button, push OK. And that completes the factory reset button for the Samsung Galaxy S10. Please like, please subscribe if this has helped you.